Une autre image tout à fait étonnante et réjouissante, elle nous provient de Vendée où le ciel est envahi de cerfs-volants. Un festival réunit près de 200 spécialistes français et internationaux. Caroline Dieudonné et Émilie Plantard ont assisté à leur démonstration.
Hop, on se rembraille.
Well, they say you're having an affair. You're living it up. Think you will play, yeah. And I know there's something in the air. Are you giving it up? Do you like to share? It's the same dirty game, burning like a flame. It's gonna fail, yeah. Well, you wouldn't be mine, no. Down on your sleep, living like a liar, laughing up your sleep. You don't know your name.